Here, I'm going to show you how to reuse the setup stuff from a query in Power Query. And rather than just duplicating the entire query, I'm going to show you how to reuse the code that is behind a query to copy over different settings. This allows you to just easily kind of tweak things directly in the code rather than needing to go into all the steps. So the way to do this is go to View, then Advanced Editor will pop up. This lets you see the code, like the query code, similar to if you're using SQL. So you can select all with Control A and Control C to copy it, and cancel that. Then go into the new query that you want to put it into, and there, go into View and then Advanced Editor, and here you'll see that there's pretty much no code in here so far. Just highlight that and paste in the code, and here, though this query itself is really quite simple and there isn't anything that we really want to tweak here, a lot of the time there will be a lot of code, and often there's just like one or two things that you're wanting to change, and it's kind of easier to just do it through this interface here in the code than through clicking through into individual steps and tweaking things out that way. So what you saw was that I went into this original query, pulled out the code here from the advanced editor, and then went into the new query, and it was really simple. And I went into the advanced editor and pasted in the original query's code, and then clicked Done, and it applied it to this new query spot. Technically, this is kind of the same thing as duplicating it in this example, but in the future, it can be really easy to go through and just like set up a whole new query and then tweak things directly in the advanced editor.